You guys see these? Oh my goodness. These are so fancy, fancy, mancy. Honey, spring color looking like Lancey. Okay, in this case, look like Lancey, okay? Check this out. Okay, so honey, if you've been sleeping on me, you just ought to wake up, okay? Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have these different cups, these different tumblers that goes perfect with the spring and the summer. Oh my goodness. Now, my fave is definitely this green and blue. You guys know green is my favorite color. These are so, so good. Now, another item Dollar Tree has is the Sure Fresh reusable round containers and lids. You get 4 of these for $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is in a place to be. Okay, so Dollar Tree is going all out, right? They have these LA colors. This is the loose and adhesive, self-adhesive nail gems. These are $1.25. Honey, when I tell you they are not playing. Opie, do you guys call these Opie? Like, what you call this nail company? Nail lacquer. They have the 2 for $1.25, and honey, they have several. Honey, Dollar Tree is just giving it to me. Now, they also have the Oregon Luxe nail polish. Honey, I was like, oh, what? Now, Oregon, I love Oregon. Okay, it's really, really good. Oregon, I tell you guys, rose hip oil. What else? Castor oil. Jojoba oil. Those oils are really, really good, and then they have them in different colors. So this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Also, we have seen these a few times, the sinful colors nail polish. You get 2 for $1.25, and this is pretty much the only color that they have at this location, which this color, ooh honey, is giving me life. $1.25. Okay, so we talked about the ARC, right? Whitening booster, and this normally costs $7.95. Honey, Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have these floor sticks right here. Tropical watermelon, start your day with a smile. These are so fancy pantsy. $35 for $1.25. And then they also have the Arctic winter mint, $1.25 as well. You get $35. And what about the Poly Grip? Okay, so Dollar Tree is selling Poly Grip now, honey. $1.25, honey, for the dentures. Now, Dollar Tree also have these makeup brush holders that comes in different designs. This lemon one is really fancy. Okay, and then they also have this purple and clear one, $1.25. Okay, so new at Dollar Tree. Remember, I always talk to you guys about the acne patches. These work so good. Now, you get 24 for $1.25. Reduces inflammation, reduce redness. These are really, really good. And I'm thinking that they saying that it smells like cherry, okay, because they have the cherry on here. Or is that just, or are they just showing you the 2 sizes? I don't know, honey, but I had got the orchid acne patches, and let me tell you something like this, if you was to go to Walgreens or CVS or any of those, they want like $8. If you come to Dollar Tree, you get 24 patches for $1.25. That's a deal to me. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel compared to Neutrogena. This is $1.25. This is honey, a doopity doop. Okay, and what about the multivitamin serum by Global Beauty? Honey, vitamins B, C, E for $1.25. And of course, this location has the Whitney Houston Sheer Mist. Now, this smells alright to me. Would I personally get this? Probably not. I probably wouldn't. Okay, but honey, if you like the fruity scents and stuff like that, honey, do what works for you, okay? But me, in my humble opinion, probably not. Now, Dollar Tree also have these 20-piece natural scents, sensitive the body wax strip kits. Now, honey, these was a big deal, okay? As you can see, Dollar Tree has brought, honey, like 2 boxes in a place to be. Now, this is good for 10 body strips, 6 face strips, 2 bikini and underarm strips, 2 cleansing wipes, and dermatologist tested for all skin types. Honey, this is a steal deal. All right. This item right here, honey, chef kiss. This is so good. Lavender and lilac, bold scents. This is really, really good. So this is a dupe from Myers. Honey, I recommend. Is a 10. Now, Dollar Tree also started selling the whole home air fresheners. You use these for furnace or AC filters. Okay, they have the island fruit, and then they also have the fuchsia bluebell whole home air freshener. These are $1.25, and I believe you get 2 packs for $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. Okay, another item I highly recommend is the Bermuda Blue Citrus. Now, I didn't use the fabric softener sheet, the dryer sheets, but when I used these, and I actually used the one that was in a bottle. I don't know if they have the one. Oh yeah, they do. So they have 2 different kinds. I think they pretty much the same exact thing, but one is in a bottle, one is in a box. Okay, in-wash scent booster, really good. Oh my goodness, honey, is so good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the laundry sheets, the laundry detergent sheets, stain fight, and 15 sheets, 15 loads. Chill, honey, get into it and do it. These are $1.25. Absolutely love this. Okay, so honey, they bring in a whole family. Okay, the Bermuda Blue Citrus 3-in-1 laundry pack, 10 packs laundry detergent, $1.25. They also have the Borax, okay, powder. This is original scent, and then they also have the lavender one, $1.25. Ooh, yeah. All right, so Dollar Tree also has these laundry stain remover sticks. Contains 1 soap stick, $1.25, with essential oil of lemongrass. I like me some lemongrass. Now, to me, I can't really smell it. Maybe because they got that plastic on here. But, honey, a stain remover stick for $1.25? Chill. Honey, from Powerhouse. Next time I come into this Dollar Tree, I'm going to try this to see how good it is. I swear, I feel like somebody be listening to my videos, okay? Because a few weeks ago, I said Dollar Tree need to start bringing in screws. Don't you know they have 50-piece exterior screws? Now, I need interior gel. But exterior, 50 pieces for $1.25. And y'all talking about the price. Chill. Let me go on to the next Dollar Tree so I could be in a place to be. This is my 3rd Dollar Tree for the day. Look, when I tell you, have you seen these? Okay, this, honey, they got this in everything. Laundry sheets, boosters, okay, honey, and everything. So this is the Bermuda Blue Citrus solid gel air freshener, $1.25. They are not playing. Chill, Dollar Tree coming through the way they do. When I tell you Dollar Tree is not playing, okay, coming through with these spring color containers, these are so cute. And look, all of them are $1.25. Now, they also put over here the reusable rectangle containers. You get 3 for $1.25. Child, look at these beautiful spring colors. These are gorgeous. Absolutely love these. Honey, where you gonna get this from for $1.25? Okay, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Okay, so this was the 2nd Dollar Tree, but altogether I did 3 Dollar Trees. And sometimes when one Dollar Tree don't have like a bunch of new stuff, I start, putting them together. Okay, so from the 2 Dollar Trees that I've been to, my favorite item was definitely the tumbler. Okay, the spring colored tumblers. Oh, those were so cute. The 2-toned, $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree in a place to be. With that being said, I catch you guys on the next one. Keep on rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.